Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting parts and making the first electrical connections. This is where you lock the signal path. Mount the magnet firmly on the shaft and position the Hall sensor about 2-3 millimeters away so it registers each pass. Wire VCC to 5 volts, ground to common ground, and connect the sensor output to digital pin 2 on the Uno using a 10K pull-up to stabilize the idle state. Once done, secure wires to avoid vibration noise. Now you write the core logic. Attach an interrupt to pin 2 and increment a volatile pulse counter inside a minimal ISR. In loop, disable interrupts briefly, copy and reset the counter, then re-enable interrupts. This prevents missed pulses while doing math. Sample for a fixed period, such as 1 second, then calculate RPM by multiplying pulses by 60 and dividing by pulses per revolution. Add a short software debounce and a moving average over several samples to smooth spikes caused by vibration. Finish by routing the calculated RPM to your display and updating it about once per second so the readout is steady and legible. Calibrate. Spin the shaft a known number of turns, compare reading, and adjust the pulses per revolution constant until values match. Make sure the sensor is mounted rigidly and the magnet stays aligned. This prevents intermittent drops. Troubleshooting tip. If readings jitter or drop to 0, check the magnet alignment and wiring continuity first. Then confirm your interrupt pin isn't reused by other libraries.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.